Samantha, how is Digital Learning Day being celebrated in our district?
Volusia County Schools is spotlighting teachers who continuously integrate district-purchased software and one-to-one student devices into their classrooms every day. Take a look.
For the district purchase the one-to-one software, I was using textbooks, I was printing out worksheets, and I was going up and doing whole class. Sometimes I would also have some technology that the kids would have to share. Okay, so the dynamics in the classroom have changed since we've been using the district purchase software. It's gotten to be more easy for the kids and more specific to what they need. So they are working on their math fluency using the Reflex Math. What I love is Canvas. I am putting things on Canvas that are very specific to their learning standards, the things that they need to learn. And the kids are able to go in there very easily and click on the hyperlinks and access content. Sometimes we do CPALMS tutorials, and the district provides student interactive worksheets that they can fill out while they watch the CPALMS tutorial. Okay, so my advice to other teachers that are on the fence about going to one-to-one technology and using the district purchase software is to find somebody that is using it in their classroom and ask them how. Basically, you just need probably a little bit of support, a little bit of help, a little bit of friendship, somebody to kind of walk you through it.